All right, so today we're going to be working on your thesis statement. And because we're working on your thesis statement, you need to make sure that you have your brainstorm and outline paper in front of you. So this week, you should have filled out these sections right now that you're going to see me kind of highlight in yellow. You should know what your sources are. If you don't know what your sources are, remember we've got our novel, that's of Mice and Men, and we've got 2 articles. You read those last week. I'll go ahead and attach them to this assignment. That way you can look at the title and the author. You should have also, by this time, filled out your pros and cons. So pros and cons are for or against our topic, and our overall topic is mercy killing. So if you want to go ahead and add this here, just so you have a good reference moving forward. So on this side, you should have listed topics that were for mercy killing. So reasons why it's a good thing. I put 4 bullet points because I think the more bullet points you have to choose from, the better off you'll be. On the right side, you should have put what the cons of mercy killing are. So why would someone be against mercy killing? All right, now that we've got that all settled, and if you aren't at this point yet and you still don't have any pros and cons, then again, I will attach something to this assignment that might give you an idea of what you can pull from. Now we're going to move on to your thesis statement. Your thesis statement is your claim plus 3 reasons. Now remember, your claim is whatever it is you are trying to prove. Every thesis statement starts with a claim. Because this is an argumentative essay and it's about mercy killing, we're trying to prove whether or not mercy killing is a good thing. So we're going to start with just that. Mercy killing. And you are going to choose whether it is or is not justified. That's what you need to figure out first. If you think that your arguments over here are stronger, then you're going to say that mercy killing is justified. If you think that your arguments over here are stronger, then you're going to say mercy killing is not justified. It's really up to you, whatever you decide. And I want to prove again, or at least make the point again, that your argument doesn't have to be your actual opinion. You're just looking to write a strong paper. Okay, so I know a lot of people are going to say, what if I think both? I still want you to pick a side because picking one side is a stronger paper. After you've decided whether mercy killing is or is not justified, then you're going to write the word because, and you're just going to list 3 of the 4 reasons, depending on which side you chose. Reason 1, reason 2, and reason 3. Okay, so really you just have to decide which one of these are you either for it or are you against it. If you are saying mercy killing is not justified, then you're going to pick 3 of these bullet points. If you're saying mercy killing is justified, you're going to pick 3 of these bullet points. But everybody's thesis statement should look like this. And that's really all that you have to do. If you're still struggling on a thesis statement, make sure that you join my office hours. I will help you with it. I have no problem doing that. Remember, they're from 1:10 to 2:30. You can also email me, or you can email any of your other English teachers. So remember, we're here to help you. So try your best to do this on your own. If you still are very confused, you have no idea what's going on, then feel free to contact us.